Hi friends, welcome back. Hope you all are doing good. Today I've come with an amazingly delicious cake recipe. It's the Australian Lamingtons. The soft and spongy cake along with the slight tart of the jam with the cake coated with chocolate glaze and covered with coconut makes it an amazing dessert. So first let us make the sponge for the cake. For that here I've taken 5 eggs. Into this we'll add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. Beat the eggs well. Into the eggs we'll add 150 grams of granulated sugar, little by little. Here I have added it 3 times. And then we'll beat the eggs till it turns pale yellow in color and becomes soft and fluffy. It will take almost 4 to 5 minutes to reach that consistency. Now the eggs are beaten well. Now we'll take 150 grams of all-purpose flour. Into this we'll add half teaspoon of baking powder, mix it well and sieve it and add it into the beaten eggs and fold it very gently. Mix it well so that there's no streaks of flour in the batter. Now we'll take 50 grams of butter and melt it, and into that 50 ml of milk, and into this we'll add 3 tablespoons of the batter. Mix it well and then we'll add this into the cake batter and mix it in. Slowly mix this into the batter. This is a very yummy cake. Please do try it. I'm sure you will like it. Let me know how it turns out. Would love to see your bakes. And then we'll transfer this into an 8-inch cake tin. I have lined an 8-inch square cake tin. Into this we'll transfer the batter. Run the spatula through the batter to remove air bubbles if any. Tap the cake tin and we'll bake this at 170 to 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes or till the cake is done. Now to make the chocolate glaze, here I have taken 150 grams of icing sugar and 1.5 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Sieve it and add a pinch of salt. Into this we'll add 1.5 tablespoons of melted butter and 2 to 3 tablespoons of warm milk. Mix it well to form a runny chocolate glaze. It should not be thick or too loose. Now this is slightly thick, so we'll add a little more milk to get the right consistency. Mix it well. And this should be the consistency of the chocolate glaze. Now the cake is beautifully baked. We'll remove it from the cake tin and allow it to cool. Now the cake has cooled down. We'll slice the cake into 2 layers. It is best if we can bake the cake the previous day and slice it the next day. Now here I have taken 3 tablespoons of jam. Into that I have added 1 tablespoon of hot water so that it is easily spreadable, and we'll spread it onto the cake layer. Cover it, and then we'll cut it into squares. Now we'll dip each square into the prepared chocolate glaze and coat it with desiccated coconut. It is said that once long ago, a piece of cake fell into chocolate glaze accidentally, and it was so messy that they couldn't handle it. So they coated it with desiccated coconut, and that's how this delicious dessert, Lamington, originated. I have not coated all the cake pieces in chocolate glaze. In case you want to coat all the pieces, you need to increase the quantity of chocolate glaze. So the Australian Lamington is ready. Same way we'll coat all the pieces with chocolate glaze and coat it with desiccated coconut. Please do try the recipe. Thank you for watching. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.